Welcome back. You can ask ChatGPT to help in the content generation process. Specifically, you can ask ChatGPT to scrape the internet for specific ideas related to a topic. For example, assuming that your topic was how to market your business on Facebook, we can look for potential topic areas for a specific context. We can start the process by writing in a simple command. And we're going to give the command, and we're going to ask for a specific number of results in our command. We're going to click enter. What's going to happen then is ChatGPT is going to produce a list as we have asked it to do. Once we have our list within this area, we can go back and qualify this list. What we can then do is we can ask ChatGPT to rewrite the list, and we are going to qualify it with an additional statement. We're now going to click enter, and we're going to wait for the results. And ChatGPT will assist us in creating our list of ideas. We can then write a qualifying command. So once we've written our qualifying command, we can then click enter. And ChatGPT will help us to qualify our information. So we can write qualifying commands for the list that we get back and get more focused results. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.
Hey, this is Chappell North. Thanks again for watching the video. If you'd like to get more videos like this, click the link below this video, and we'll have some more videos for you that you can watch that will teach you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.